January ninga sang ni somni paruk ani China ron trong chuak vele amaro chu China hi chu an trong huai lutuk he ka ring chi alawa a chan chu enge Taiwan chu a hianin an ti du ti hi khovel hianin a hreru ve te taning po ni se China ina US aron dem dan le warning aron pek dan hi he video hianin kan rie kang
China's initial lukewarm response to the
atira chonin China hianin US aron dem amaro chu adem nawak lowani aming aming ang reng deuh aming ve mai aming in ti ang reng deuh hanin China haron trong chuak ve atira chuan
Venezuelan crisis has come into the spotlight. The country was left embarrassed as Nicolas Maduro and his wife were captured by America barely 6 hours after his meeting with a Chinese delegation.
China hi ama atira tianga ron trong chuak mai si khana hnuwa chuanin a ayan na sa jok le serious jok in ron trong chuak ani achan chu Maduro an man ma darkar ruk khanin Maduro le China atanga delegate pakhat kha meeting an no nei zo chia chuanin Maduro khan Monday mai ani chuanin kan hrethewa Venezuela le China te po hianin in rem na eng emani chu an ziak bok ani mo khatiang kha ani China tan po khan na za thla ka hetiang hi achan chu China ina atho pui ram US ina hetiang a dudua ati thei mai kha China tan chona za thla ka ni mo
Beijing has now toughened its stance. In a rather strong statement against US on Sunday, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi stressed that no country can act as the world's police and claim to be the world's judge.
Hetiang hianin China Foreign Minister Wang Yi yan hetiang hianin aron soita ani. No, we have never believed that any country. Hey, khovela hianin ram sang kan omta. Ram pakhat hi intilal bik. Inti thunei bik le ramdang control thei turte ramdang zalen na dikna khatianga dudu dana palzu thei tur kha khatiang ram khatuma an omlo khatiang kha kan pom lo ani mo keini China ho zonin kan pom lo ani tiang zo khanin strong deuh tak mai khanin aron trong chuak ta ani
Wang told his Pakistani counterpart Ishaqdar that the sovereignty of all nations should be fully protected under international law.
International law, khovel dan noya man mek noya hianin khovel ram zong zong te hianin an mani zalen na an neya chu du a khatianga enge va in pal zut sak thei mai ani lo thu China Foreign Minister Wang Yi ye hianin Pakistani thian pa emo thian nu aniang chumin hena chuanin alo hrilve na sa ani.
This is being seen as a significant escalation if we look at Beijing's first statement on Maduro's ouster on Saturday. To begin with, the Chinese Foreign Ministry had merely called out US for violating international law, saying that such hegemonic acts threaten peace and security in South America.
South America ran mong taka omlai azuk ti buaya ni. Ti ina tir khat chuanin China ha trong chuak ve maya. Mo amaro chu anhuwa chuanin America khan na takina ron dem ta ani. Mase soi tong khanin China hianin Taiwan hi. Kara kan ramani ti ve ta entika emo chuanin alarun mai theya China hian Taiwan hi. Chuwa chuanin hetiang anga hianin China hi nalutuka atong chua anuwa Taiwan la ka cheta lak le si chuan khovel ram zong zong in China hian dem let vekanga khatiang khanin thil kha thling ve le theiani.
Subsequently, China issued another statement asking America to ensure the personal safety of the deposed Venezuelan president and his wife and release them immediately.
China chuanin US hnenah tunan man tak Maduro hi an enkol thalhe turania a thei phei chuanin arang thei ang berin an mi mana hi an chua zalen le ngal turani tein China hianin US zukril ani.
In fact, it also urged the Trump administration to stop the toppling of the government of Venezuela.
China lampang hianin Donald Trump ale a sarkar a Donald Trump administration te hi hetianga Venezuela sarkar lai le rorel lai le an hoto president ni bok hetianga dudua atikwal vel mai hi ti enge top san maka Venezuela ram in rail ball na shrimp ship hazuk in roll to mi lo turin na duani hi China tan zonin apoi modona a chan chu China hianin Venezuela tang hianin oil hi ali ve na sa ni amar chu tuna Venezuela ram oil te hi US ina control to chuan kha kha ni le dai mai ha.
Now remember, China's stance assumes significance in the backdrop of its close ties with Venezuela. In 2024 alone, China purchased goods worth nearly 1.6 billion USD from Venezuela, which is reeling from sanctions. As per reports, the last meeting between Maduro and the Chinese delegation focused on addressing concerns over the threat of a US military intervention.
Tianga Venezuela President Maduro manani malo ka China delegated na meeting an nei khan until say pakhatsu US sipaite anon in roll lo na tura enge engtinge ma kan la kang US sipaite ron roll lo na engtinge ma kan la kang ting ver kha an lo soi ho ani amaro chu ati khani meeting an nei zo chia US sipaite chuanin Maduro han ron man ta mak mai boxia chuanin China le Venezuela te hi lo sumdong ton na sak hop maya China hianin Venezuela tang hianin kumkal ta khan bungrua hanti khanin oil te ponianga mineral te ponianga khati ang chi kha asum fa ang zong zonin 1.6 billion US dollars ang hulai kha China hianin Venezuela tang hian lo lei sak bok ani khati takapoi mo ani Venezuela hi mo China tan hian chu wa zonin atira khanin ron nem deu hnon ron strong viewa amaro chu cái mà mình vẫn ngày đàn mấy mẹ cho nên China hi chu trong huai lu tuk thei hian ni big lawa chan chu Taiwan chu a hian ne te hian in anin show seven na samai box hi mo ole khatiang kha ani aron react lai thei chu mo video ya kanin mole theu do ni